Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix Google Chrome opening new tabs automatically. If your browser keeps opening unwanted tabs or acting strangely, follow along with us. If Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs on its own, the first thing we need to do is refresh Google Chrome. Next, let's check which version of Google Chrome we have. To do this, click the three vertical dots, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. This will update Google Chrome automatically. Wait for the update to finish. Once it's done, close Google Chrome and open it again. Now, let's check the extensions. If we see any unwanted extensions that we don't use, click the three dots next to that extension and remove it. This helps free up memory in Google Chrome. Now click the three dots and go to Settings. In Settings, go to On Startup. Here, select Open a New Tab page, so Chrome doesn't open a specific page on startup. This way, a clean new tab will open instead. If the problem continues, we can uninstall and reinstall Google Chrome to get a fresh start. We can also reset Chrome by clicking Reset Settings to restore everything back to default. This will reset Google Chrome to its original settings. By following these steps, we can fix the issue of Google Chrome opening tabs on its own. We covered how to check extensions, reset browser settings, and adjust startup options to stop the problem.